If you're looking to save some money traveling around Calgary using a C train or transit, you can get prepaid tickets. I'll show you how to order and use them here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Using the C train or transit bus system is how you get around town if you don't have a car. To purchase a ticket to use the C train, you can get a paper ticket or daily pass from a ticket machine located on the train platform. Or you can prepay by purchasing them from a Calgary Transit app, or go to the Calgary Transit website listed below and order prepaid tickets. These will be sent to you by mail, or you can go to a convenience store, newsstand, or even the Calgary Transit front office in town to buy them. If you have a ticket on your app, there is a QR code you scan at the platform that will allow you to use the ticket for 90 minutes. If you have a physical ticket you bought in town or ordered online to be mailed to you, take this ticket from your pack and place it in the slot. This will stamp the time and date on the ticket. From that point, you have 90 minutes to use it. The ticket itself, like on the app, can be used for either the C train or the Calgary Transit bus system. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn how to purchase a day pass or a paper ticket from a ticket machine, or how the C train system works, check out these videos, or check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.